Morning folks, welcome back into the workshop. We're doing a bit in here today for that water tank. And I've got some fittings, stainless steel fittings. One's for the breather on the tank, and that's the filler. And I've got a bit of stainless steel here. And this plate, that's the holes I've got to cut out to get those sockets in, and that's the top of the filler that I'm going to be making. But we're going to put stainless steel around it so it makes it into a box so it doesn't distort so much. So we'll end up with the flange, sides on it, open bottom, and then when I get it up to the bow, we'll have to drop it on, we angle grind and cut out the top of the water tank and weld that round. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to get plasma out, cut them holes out, I'm going to cut some steel to make this sides all the way around. So let's get on with it. Right, so we've got everything ready, we've cleaned it up, we've wiped them off, we've settled down those cutouts with the sanding bits, so we're ready to put them in now. We're going to sit flush to the underside of that. So first of all we'll do the small one, and that's it, we'll get it done. How's your medic, have you? Dilly-dallied a bit there. I've been here ages. I've got everything ready. Ready to go. Got all cables on. Welders on. Welding rods are there. Manifolds there. Tanks there. Just took coffee over my son. Anyway, I'll cut that out because this is all bobbling all over. Instead of trying to weld it down to that, what I shall do is cut a rectangle out of that, and that can go through it then, and then we can weld around it. At least I've got that out of the way today, and that's it then, because sort of packed in now till after Christmas with work, but I'm carrying on next week. I'm going to be carrying on this boat here. We're going to have that back under there, get the bed made under there, get that shoved in, and we can get this floor finished then. I'll get some more boarding, got some timbers here for angles, we'll get it in. Anyway, let's get that done, and it's another good achievement then. Right, come on. Unfortunately, that steel's just too thin to weld that. It's thick as steel, the manifold, and it's taking all the heat to the thin bit, and I can't stop it. So I'm going to have to take it out, cut it out, and I'll have to beef all that area up to start with, put another plate on top, and maybe have it so it fastens down instead of welds to it. So I'm just going to cut that out. We'll have a bigger hole then, but then I can use a thicker plate and make a flange or something, a flange underneath, a flange on top, and attach it that way. But it's just not going to work. That it's just too thin. So unfortunately, I'll have to bloody do it again. Anyway, no further, you get knocked back every now and again. That's it. So we'll get it cut out. Yeah, it's not welding, it's just blowing thin steel away. So that'll be plan B. I'm back to the workshop with that. I'll put a flange around it, and we'll do it another way anyway. So we'll get this lot wrapped up. Right folks, that's it. Abandoned job. No point stopping here now. I need to go and sort that out anyway. I'm not going back to the workshop today. It's getting on in the afternoon now. We'll go and have a beer. So we'll be back next week and we'll get that sorted, get it flanged, thicker steel on it, thicker stainless on it, get it flanged. Bobby Dazzler then. Anyway, I've somehow reached 1,000 subscribers, and so some people must like having a look at what I'm doing. And it's great that. Thank you very much everybody who subscribed. And it is Christmas time, so I did give a bit of a giveaway early on in the year, I'm not sure when, midsummer or something, and I got some of these windlass holsters for your belt. So I've got 3 of those, and it's not a competition at all. I'll just leave a comment on this this vlog, and then we'll just use that machine on YouTube, and it'll pick 4 winners out, and the first winner will get this, which that's my prototype, but I have got some of these being made now. I just make them myself. See, it holds your windlass, and on the springy lanyard I've got my CRT key and the anti-vandal key on that one. So you know, it's like you're going to do a lock, you leave your windlass on the lock, or you leave your key in the the lock or something, and or you look, oh, where is it, in my pocket, which pocket's that in? I know I've got it somewhere, or you've dropped it on the floor or something, but I just thought if you get everything together like everyday carry thing, then if you do it locks one after other, you've got everything with you. If you need your CRT key on round here, they've all got these anti-vandal keys on Chesterfield Canal, and I've come across them on other canals where you need the CRT key to work them. So that's prototype. That's actually made out of horse leather. But I've got some European buffalo. It's gorgeous stuff, thick, like 4 or 5 milli thick, gorgeous, really soft, strong as an ox or a buffalo. So first prize, 1 of them, and then we'll have 3 other draws, and 1 each of them. So not cost anybody out. I'll just chuck them in post, get a postal address off you. They'll be in post, and a bit of something for everybody's. Well, just Merry Christmas everybody, and something for you if you win it. So anyway, that's it for me now. I'm going home. No, I'm not. I'm going to go and have a beer this afternoon, a game of darts. It's getting on now towards the end of the day anyway. So right, I'll see you all soon, and Merry Christmas to you all. Happy New Year. Look after yourself and your loved ones, and see you soon. Ta-ra.